Welcome back to the channel WA Electronics. Today we're diving into the world of precision measurement with the Noyafa NF274L laser distance measurer. This device boasts a 100-meter range and a host of features designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Let's unbox it and see what it has to offer. Inside the box we have the Noyafa NF274L laser distance measurer, a USB charging cable, an instruction manual, a operation guide, a quality certification card, and a white blank card for testing. The device itself feels sturdy and well built, with a sleek design and intuitive button layout. Let's talk features. The NF274L offers measurement range up to 100 meters, 330 feet, with an accuracy of plus or minus 1.5 millimeters. Measurement modes: single, continuous, area, volume, Pythagorean, triangle area, and point-to-point measurements. Green laser technology, enhanced visibility, especially in bright environments. Bluetooth connectivity, syncs with Android devices for data transfer. Voice broadcast, audible measurement readings which can be toggled on or off. Data storage, stores up to 100 measurement records. Power supply, equipped with a rechargeable lithium battery. Durability, rated IP54 for protection against dust and water splashes. Let's put it to the test. Single measurement. Point and click to measure the distance to a wall. Continuous measurement. Move the device to see real-time distance updates. Area calculation. Measure length and width to calculate area. Volume. Calculation. Add height to the previous measurements for volume. Pythagorean measurement. Measure indirect distances using 2 or 3 points. With Bluetooth, you can connect the NF274L to your Android device, allowing for easy data transfer and analysis. This feature is especially useful for professionals who need to document measurements on the go. After testing Noyafa NF274L, here's some pros and cons. Pros: high measurement range with excellent accuracy. Versatile measurement modes for various applications. User-friendly interface with clear display. Compact and durable design. Cons. Bluetooth connectivity is limited to Android devices. Voice broadcast feature may not be necessary for all users. The Noyafa NF274L is a reliable and versatile tool for anyone needing precise measurements, whether you're in construction, interior design, or just tackling home projects. Its range of features and ease of use make it a valuable addition to your toolkit. You can find the purchase link in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech reviews. Have questions or want to share your experience with the NF274L? Drop a comment below. See you next time.